So I want you to do this for me. I've really wronged my dad and many people in my life. I mean, it's me. So Sasa, have you heard of Dr. Ken or Kennedy or Jonathan? Yeah, Dr. Ken.
Yeah.
I want you to apologize to him for me, because I think that this is my fault somehow. This is my fault, and also there is my parents, especially my dad. Ukimjua or anything, like, I want you to apologize to him. I've been so bad to him. Amekuwa akinikataza all my life niache kufanya vitu zingine na bado sisikii. Please promise me you'll apologize to him for me. Like, my whole life ameshinda akiniambia I'd be a good girl. He has given me everything and all I did was blame him for trying his best. He gave me everything. I went to school, I had a good life, lakini sasa mimi bado sikusikia. Please apologize to Aki. Tafadhali usikose kwanza yeye. Please usikose. And also my mom, mwambie ajaribu tu. Mwambie I'm sorry. I should have at least appreciated her a little. Mwambie pia I'm really sorry. Alafu, there's also a friend of mine anaitwa Kanana. Nikikuja hapa nilikuja na simu. Do you have my phone?
Yeah, we have it.
Utatafuta tu hapo, utaona namba zao. Please tell them, because I don't know how I'll get out of this hospital, or if I won't pay any sawa. Tell Kanana that life is precious na asi abort, like she'll understand it. Mwambie asi abort, it's not right. So please get these messages to these people, tafadhali, sawa. And also tell her that mwambie ambia hizo, she'll understand who that is. Ache vitu ka drug and stuff. Please just talk to him. Mwambie tu, like, his life can be so much better, lakini mwambie tu nimemwambia hivyo, and apologize to him and Kanana especially apologize to her. Mwambie, like, I'm sorry for giving her wrong advice, very, very wrong advice. Yeah. And my parents, back to my parents, please tell them okay pamoja. Tell them to at least try. To at least, like, try to kuka pamoja and to stand each other. Will you please do it for me? Please do it for me, because I don't think I will. Will you please do it for me? Please.
Why didn't you grant her the promise?
Tunaweza ongea nje kidogo.
Okay, let's go.
Nas, nilikupata umenyamaza hapo. Mbona hukurespond kwa Mishi?
Daktari?
Yes.
It's a sad story. Unaona huyo Ken alikuwa anasema?
Ndio.
It's Dr. Ken.
Yes. The famous Dr. Ken?
Yeah.
From Odhaya. Yes.
Na walikuwa naye wakipata hiyo accident.
Yes.
But unfortunately,
yes,
Dr. Ken hakusurvive.
What? Dr. Ken is dead?
Yeah.
Death. We have lost a doctor.
Kanana na Izo
Yes.
ni marafiki zake. Kanana alikuwa anajaribu kwa boat.
Yes.
But in the process,
Yes.
akapass.
What? Very sad.
Naye Izo alipoona condition ya dadake,
Yes.
aka overdose.
Yes.
Na unfortunately yeye pia akapass.
Too sad.
Wazazi wake.
Yes.
So unajua hiyo accident ilikuwa head-on collision.
Head-on collision. What? Very sad kweli.
Hiyo gari ingine ilikuwa na wazazi wake. And in a very critical condition.
Sorry. Are they here? Wako huku kweli kwa hii hospitali?
Wako hospitali nyingine.
Wow. Very sad kweli.
Na vile I don't even know how we are going to break this news to Mish.
Yes.
Juu hata pia ukiona condition yake, ana give up. So, ni Mungu tu atasaidia.
Mimi naona the only thing tunaweza fanya, anafaa guidance and counseling Michelle. And make sure wewe uende muangalie vizuri, take care of her, na make sure umestabilize condition yake. Sawa? Yeah.